5-day forecast. Gets a little bumpy before it gets better. So rough road ahead today and tomorrow, and then the weekend and next week look gorgeous. So some light at the end of the tunnel, something to look forward to. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at satellite and radar. So right now things are quiet here at home, but we are seeing the clouds push in from the north, and you'll notice lots of lightning strikes north of the lake and even starting to creep over the lake as well. So what will happen today is, I would say lunch hour into the evening commute, we'll start to see some spotty to even scattered showers and storms. Coverage will likely go up later this evening, and the rain could be very heavy. We have a slight risk of severe weather as well. I'm going to zoom out so I can show you how far north this goes. So all of this is going to be sinking south, okay? It's how much of it holds together. We've got the heat, we've got the humidity. Looking at temperatures right now, let's see if I can pull those up for you. We're in the low to mid 70s, in most places a couple upper 60s. Highs today should be in the low 80s. So as the clouds increase, if the clouds increase and the rain doesn't arrive quite as quickly, then it could stifle our temperatures a bit. However, what I do know is we will see some heavy rain in here, and some of the storms could be gusty. So we have the heat, we have the humidity in the atmosphere as well. Go ahead and look at our dew points over the next 12 hours. They're going up back to that 70 range. Very uncomfortable, feeling a little tropical as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up here our regional futurecast. This just shows you the area and how this storm is going to play out. So we really have, you could call it 3 batches of rain and storms, but the first and second almost are blending together when it comes to their coverage. So watch here. Again, it'd be around the lunch hour, evening commute that we'll see more scattered to widespread rain and storms. And a lot of this will actually stay Cleveland and east. The showers thin out, excuse me, I have hiccups. The showers thin out the further west you go. So we're talking Sandusky, Seneca, Ottawa County might not see quite as high of coverage or strength in storms. Overnight, see how we get some breaks in there. I'm actually going to back that up a little bit. See how we see some breaks through there and some additional, excuse me, someone is blowing a whistle in the newsroom. If you can hear that back there. So this is technically, I guess you could call it our second wave of rain and storms overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. So that, I'm not expecting it to impact your commute to work. However, leftover flooding, which is decent potential for that, could be an issue for you, as well as if we see the rain last really long and heavy overnight. If we get any gusty thunderstorms early tomorrow morning, gusts could take down any trees that roots are not able to, hold their own in the ground after becoming so soggy. Majority of Thursday afternoon actually looks pretty good. However, then we got to talk about the heat tomorrow afternoon. Then third wave of rain and storms tomorrow night. That is going to be the cold front clearing through, and we turn our winds out of the northwest, a few lingering showers into Friday, and then the better weather returns. So that was a lot. Let me go ahead and throw up this headline here for you to just break down the timing. So for your Wednesday, what you need to know, your evening commute could be soggy, could get some gusty thunderstorms late this evening and overnight. Tonight, heavier organized rain and storms that could linger into the very early parts of tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow night, our final cluster after seeing potentially triple-digit heat indices tomorrow afternoon. So we've got the energy in the atmosphere, that is for sure. So what we have in place is an excessive heat watch. Highs will be around 90. Couple that with 70-plus degree dew points, and it could feel 105 to 110 in these western communities that are highlighted here, which are under that excessive heat watch. So not everyone is under that heat watch. However, everyone will be very hot and steamy, which could be potentially dangerous. So make sure if the kids are walking to school, they have extra water, light, loose clothes. Check on your pets, elderly. Make sure kids in the car, So just take precautions in that sense. And then by Friday, the back half of the day, your Friday night football games, they are a go. I don't think you'll need to worry about rain showers, and temperatures will be much more comfortable Friday night as well. So 3 days of some active weather, 2.5 really at this point. Saturday through Wednesday of next week, smooth sailing, no weather worries, temperatures in the 70s, throw open the windows at night. If you guys have questions, drop them in the comments, do my best to answer. Also, just tune in at noon. Jen will be on with the latest updates to the forecast as well. Take care. Stay safe.